So we're taking a look at a new Chuckit ball, and we may or may not have already lost one of them. So they come in a 2-pack, which is actually pretty handy for us. And let's bust this one out of here. This is the large Chuckit, and this is essentially a very reinforced ball that we're used to, except it's in orange, and it's super strong. And this original Chuckit is, of course, designed to work in the throwers. And they first came out with them. I think this is how they were designed. Very durable ball like that. Then they came out with like an all rubber version of it. And, you know, it's not like a Kong or nothing. It's hollow or it's spongy. I think it's hollow rubber. But bounces really well. Then I think the glow in the dark came out. This one's kind of dirty. And then we've got the whistler. So this one makes noise when you wing it. All of these, though, share the same size. And now this one, as you can see, is quite a bit larger, so it's not going to fit in this thrower, technically. So there must be a bigger thrower, I suppose. But we just went with the larger one, just to mess with the little puppy, who turns out he can't quite grab this in his mouth, but he can shove it underneath of either the couch or one of the cabinets. So it's a little bit larger, but it's not so large that it won't get lost, and bounces just as good. So that's our growing collection of Chuckit balls. Hope this helps.